The question we're going to answer today is, why does my car make a scraping or grinding sound when I'm braking? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Certified Master Technician. Now, first on our list of 4 possibilities is that the brakes could be worn out so far that there's no friction material remaining, and now we just have a piece of metal. That metal grinds against our brake rotor. Automotive mechanics call that brakes that are metal to metal. Okay. Now, secondly, we may have the brakes worn to where they're not quite metal to metal, but there is a wear indicator. It's this little tiny piece of metal right here, if you can see it. And that will typically make more of a squealing sound or a scraping sound rather than grinding. And it is designed to be very irritating to stop you from driving until you get to metal. So that's just a warning that it's time to do your brakes. Third, we can have different types of friction material. Some are ceramic, some are metallic, and some of the metallic ones can have a pretty high concentration of little metal flakes in them. And so sometimes they will grind when you're braking. And a lot of times it might grind when the brake pad's cold and go away when it's warm, or vice versa. But regardless, that's not a safety issue. So it might just be an annoyance and you could continue to drive the car. But the grinding can sound pretty bad sometimes. And then last on our list is a foreign object. We see in the shop sometimes where somebody has driven down some gravel roads, or maybe gone through some road construction, perhaps they're resurfacing, and you get a little tiny rock chip caught between the brake rotor and the backing plate. And that can make a lot of racket. So that one's a very simple repair. You just remove the rock chip and you're good to go. So if you're experiencing any of these problems, it might be wise to have us take a quick look at your brakes to make sure everything's safe for you. Thanks for watching today, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.